If you want to connect this jack earphones or headphones into the POCO X8 Pro, you can do this, but first of all, you have to enable one option, one feature in the settings. Go to the settings and scroll and open the additional settings. Now, you have to go below into the OTG. Make sure that you are gonna turn it on. So now we can plug this adapter. You can just simply purchase any adapter that is available in the mobile store or, for example, on the market. I get this one for like $2, I believe, so it's like super cheap. And now we just have to plug it in like that. And right now, as you can see, the headphones are connected. Even when I'm gonna play something here, let's get, for example, this one, you can hear that it comes from headphones. So that's how you can do that. Thanks for watching.